Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome back to Curries to Cakes. It's beautiful out there, raining almost every evening here in Bangalore. So, in this beautiful weather, I thought why not make some chili paneer. So, let's begin with the recipe. These are the ingredients you require to make this recipe. First, we'll add some water into red chili powder and corn flour. Mix these well and keep them aside. We'll be using these later. Now I have taken 200 grams of paneer. Into a bowl, add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour and toss these paneer cubes so that they coat nicely with the corn flour. For more information, check the description box below. Once they are nicely coated, transfer the paneer onto a plate and into the same bowl add 2.5 tablespoons of corn flour, 1.5 tablespoons of maida and a big pinch of salt. Now add little water and make this a slurry. Don't add water too much at a time. The slurry shouldn't be too thick or too thin. It should be of this consistency just to coat the paneer. Now add the paneer back into this bowl and gently coat them. To make the paneer crispy, we have tossed them in corn flour first. So now let's deep fry these. In a pan of hot oil, add the paneer cubes and deep fry them until they turn out golden brown. Once they are done, strain the oil and transfer this onto a tissue paper. Keep this fried paneer aside. Now you can use another pan to make the sauce. I am using the same, so I have removed all the oil and with 1 tablespoon of oil, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Saute them for a minute and add 1 medium-sized onion and 1 small capsicum. I have used all the 3 colors of capsicum. Saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 green chilies which are slit and saute them for a minute. When you feel that the pan is drying out, add a little water and give it a mix. Now add the red chili powder and water mixture which we had prepared earlier and give it a nice mix. Again, whenever you feel the pan is drying out, add a little water. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. The capsicum and the onion should be crunchy, so make sure you don't cook them too much. Give it a quick mix. Now add the corn flour and water mixture which we had prepared earlier. Cook for a minute or 2. Now add water, about half a cup. If you want this to be saucy, then you can add a little more water, but this is a starter recipe. Add a handful of spring onion greens and give it a quick mix. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a quick mix. Taste the gravy and adjust the consistency. I felt the salt was less, so I am adding some more salt to adjust to my taste. Now give this a quick mix. Now add the fried paneer into the sauce. Once you add the paneer, just give it a quick mix and serve it immediately. If you keep mixing it, then it will get soggy. And if you eat later, that is if you don't eat it immediately, then also the paneer gets soggy. Now garnish with some spring onion greens, and for some crunchiness I sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds. This is optional anyway. And that's it. The chili paneer is ready. Serve it immediately and enjoy. This is crispy outside, soft inside, and the sauce is just amazing. So do make this at home and let me know your experience in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.